BF1 provide free soap making class which open to the public. BF1 will teach you about the materials, formula and procedures to create your own soap bar. In the class, all equipment will be provided. Come to BF1 to create your own and unique soap bar. Use your creativity and imagination. With nice smell and attractive color. 2 hours of free training workshop for basic knowledge about use of glycerin soap to mixing and creating your own. Knowledge about UES of glycerin soap and serrating your own body soap. About soaping chemistry as a salt of a fatty acid soaps are mainly UES DSA. Surfactants for washing, bathing and cleansing, but they are also USDE in textile spinning and are important components. Lubricant soaps OFR cleansing are obtained by treating vegetable oils down fats with. Lubricant soaps OFR cleansing are obtained by treating vegetable oils down fats with a strongly alkaline solution. Fats ANVD oils are composed of triglycerides, 3 molecules of fatty acids are attached to a single molecule of glycerol, the alkaline silicium. The alkane solution, which is often called lye, is called lye.